How to activate Dubai Islamic Bank debit card. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel official help text. Now let's get started. Open any of the browser. At the very top you will see the search box. Over there type in dibbank.com and search for it. With that you will be directed to the official website of Dubai Islamic Bank. Now over here you will find different options. Click on this option of digital banking. Now click on the option of debit cards. Now scroll down. Over here you will see Dubai Islamic Bank offers debit cards with different transaction limits. You can go through this and then again scroll down. Now over here you will find this section, how to activate for a Visa debit card. Over here you will find different options as through mobile and internet banking application. If you want to use this for activating your debit card, you will need to download mobile app from Google Play Store or App Store and log into DIB Internet Banking. After successful validation of login credentials, customer can go to card activation option and provide one-time PIN validation for security purpose. And with that, you can easily activate your Dubai Islamic debit card. Likewise, another option is through DIB phone banking. You can use the phone number given over here. Customer is verified by phone banking officer through security questions, and then card activation and PIN change is confirmed after successful verification, and then you will be able to activate your Dubai Islamic debit card. Likewise, third option is for debit card international uses and e-commerce activations. For internet banking customer, you can easily log into DIB Internet Banking, select card management option, provide one-time PIN verification and activate your debit card international uses and e-commerce activation. So these are the ways to activate Dubai Islamic Bank debit card. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.